freaking face off.
Bag. Oh, did I miss that? Bag.
Oh, it's okay. I just called you something in my head that I can't say out loud.
Yeah, it really affects me something in me. Yeah. Oh.
No, trust me. You'll hear me when you go to sleep. And I wake you up. By throwing you outside and locking the doors and letting all the bad guys get you.
Jimmy, shut up, both of you.
That's alright. They'll get her anyway, so I can sleep.
Penny, you're so mean.
Well, this is very annoying. Stop messing up Mom's plan!
I love to get alone. My goodness. It's just safe.
Oh, I'm gonna play some Pogo.
No, you're not. You're gonna clean the kitchen.
I don't have no kitchen to clean. I have the table.
This is your kitchen.
No.
Hey, Jim.
Do you guys realize that I'm 41 years old and I might occasionally like some peace and
I
quiet?
keep forgetting you're 41. You've been
Ever
alive
considered my
for
feelings?
4 decades.
Mom, now I'm really upset about this dinner tomorrow because now you're not gonna take me.
I don't. Whatever. You'll go to sleep. I know that.
Mom, you already told me you would take me tomorrow.
I didn't say I would.
Here,
I'm just saying, if I'm so sick, I will
Dad,
take
you
you
have to
to sleep.
sleep in this
I mean, asleep sometimes.
Mom, you told me you
Look,
would take
Jenny,
me
I'm
tomorrow.
feeling really shitty. Do you
I don't care. No, I don't, Mom. My teeth need freaking fixed, and you don't care.
But I'm sick.
I don't give a flying crap if you're sick. I don't care if you're on the ground sick. You told me you would freaking take me, and you promised me, Mom.
You really don't care if I was laying on the
My
ground
teeth
sick?
are so bad, Mom, and they're about to freaking fall. Do you want me to be miserable and not want to go anywhere or show my face like you did? Do you want me to go through that at this age?
She's about to freaking cry.
I don't care if I'm laying on the ground sick.
God,
Really,
Mom.
Jimmy?
Shut up. Nobody's talking to you.
That's so mean.
Shut your guys' freaking face
No,
up.
that's really mean. She's over here about to cry.
No, she's not. She's faking it to get freaking sympathy.
She's not. We care.
Mom, you know she's a freaking figure of speech. So shut up.
That's
Tells
not
me to
figure of
shut
speech
up. I'm
people
not even
always
saying
say.
anything.
That's not figure of speech people normally use. Pull that out so I can give you a kiss and a hug. Right, there he is.
There's two guys.
Oh, so do talk into it.